Welcome to Trigonometry Made Simple. In this video, we are going to master converting between degrees and radians. This is a fundamental skill you will use constantly in math and physics. First, let's understand what we are working with. Degrees are the units you are likely most familiar with. A full circle has 360 degrees. Radians are the standard unit in higher mathematics like calculus. In radians, that same full circle is equal to 2 pi. Here is the most important thing to remember. If a full circle is 360 degrees or 2 pi radians, then a half circle is 180 degrees, which equals exactly pi radians. This relationship, 180 equals pi, is the key to our conversion formula. To convert from degrees to radians, we multiply our degrees by a fraction. That fraction is pi divided by 180 degrees. Think of it this way. You want to cancel out the degrees, so you put the 180 degrees on the bottom of the fraction. Let's try an example. We want to convert 90 degrees to radians. We multiply 90 by pi over 180. When we simplify the fraction 90 over 180, we get 1/2. So, 90 degrees equals pi over 2 radians. Here is another common angle, 45 degrees. We multiply 45 by pi over 180. 45 goes into 180 exactly 4 times. So, the result is pi divided by 4 radians. Now, let's go the other way. To convert from radians back to degrees, we flip our fraction. We multiply by 180 degrees divided by pi. This time, we want the degrees on top because that is the unit we want to end up with. Let's convert pi over 3 radians into degrees. We multiply pi over 3 by 180 over pi. Notice that the pi on the top and the pi on the bottom cancel each other out. We are left with 180 divided by 3, which gives us 60 degrees. Here are the most common angles you should know. 0 is 0, 30 degrees is pi over 6, 45 is pi over 4, 60 is pi over 3, 90 is pi over 2, and remember, 180 is always pi. To wrap up, remember these 2 rules. To get radians, multiply by pi over 180. To get degrees, multiply by 180 over pi. Keep practicing these, and it will become second nature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.